In order to download the Excel add-in to CapIQ, you need to download it using the link from the library website. So again, come to the Business Library webpage. Again, go to Business Databases. Again, go down to S&P Capital IQ. Click on that. Use this permalink. This is the permalink you have to use. You can bookmark this if you want, if you're going to come into CapIQ all the time, but this is the one you're going to want to use. I have been logged in recently, so it didn't ask for my username and password, but you will probably be asked for your username and password before you get in here. Once you are in, you're going to go to My CapIQ. Now over on the left-hand side, you will see My Profile. And under My Profile, you'll see Downloads. Click on Downloads. Right here, this is where you can download the Excel add-in. And again, once you've got that downloaded, the Excel add-in will only work if you're using the link that you used or that you copied and saved from that library website. And you'll know you're at the right link if it says up in the URL, if you see that it says EZ proxy up in there. The full link should be www.capitaliq.com ezproxy.library.wisc.edu and then whatever else comes after that. But you have to see that EZ proxy up there, and then you'll know for sure you're at the right spot. And if you're not seeing that EZ proxy, your add-in will not work. You have to download it from this site, and you have to be at this site, this EZ proxy, when you're using the add-in. And as long as you follow these steps to download this add-in, you shouldn't have any problems. But if you have any questions, just contact us at the Business Library, and we're happy to help.